Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and I want to talk about something that a lot of you have been asking in the comment section of my previous iPhone 17 Pro Max gaming test videos. And I want to be very clear, I've seen those comments, I have read those comments, and I have even replied to some of those comments too. Those comments are asking for a gaming test review of Roblox on iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max series. And I want to be very transparent about it. I have replied to some of the comments by saying that I will test it in the future video, but here we are. So my decision is that I will not be making a video on that test because of the situations and because of the things that Roblox has done as a company in the past and is currently doing. So over the past few years, Roblox as a platform have been surrounding with the continuous reports and investigations and alleged allegations of predatory behavior on the platform and putting children and teenagers on that platform into serious risk. So that's why I am trying to do my part, and my channel is really small as compared to some of the really big channels, and Roblox is a very big company too. I'm not sure if my video will make a difference at all or not, and also if I personally will not make a video about it, there are hundreds of thousands channels on YouTube that are doing the same thing, that are posting tech content. They have the phone available, and if I will not be making that video, somebody else will definitely make that video, or probably a lot of people have already posted a video of playing Roblox on these phones, testing and promoting it basically. But even though my video will not make a difference, I feel like it's my responsibility. And this channel is not a journalist channel. I'm not a journalist or not even someone from law enforcement, so this is not my job, to do investigation and give you guys reports on investigations. A lot of the other big great channels have already done that. If you want to watch more about the situations and more about the things that are happening with Roblox and with the community that involves it, you can watch Charlie's channel, Penguin Z1, and you can also watch Some Ordinary Gamers. They have covered this topic in really good detail. And the thing that troubles me the most, the platform Roblox is mostly used by children and teenagers. And the company has repeatedly failed to set proper protection, proper barriers from people who don't have good intentions entering the games, entering the servers that only involves children. And also, I've seen some reports, instead of banning these people with bad intentions or these predators, Roblox have banned the people who were working with the local law enforcement agency, and they were trying to catch these predators. They have banned those people. That's the thing that troubled me the most. But again, this is not a journalist, or this is not a channel where I give you guys news or shed news on the latest things happening. This is a tech channel, reviews, unboxing, gaming, etc. So I will not be going deep into that, but this is my decision. I will not be testing Roblox, and I admit, I apologize. I have made a lot of videos testing Roblox on the past mobile devices. For example, iPhone 15 Pro Max, iPhone 16 Pro Max, and I think iPhone 14 too at some point maybe, or on iPad reviews as well. But going forward on this channel, I will not be posting any content that involves Roblox in any way. And the last thing that I want to talk about is about the parents. I'm not here to tell you how to raise your kids, but just to be aware on where your kids hang out in the digital world. So you cannot just think that if they're playing a game that looks like some cartoons and people having fun, it doesn't necessarily mean that it will be safe. It will be a safe place for your children. So do your proper research and make sure where you're kids are playing and with whom they're talking online. Just that's all. And I just kind of felt my responsibility to make this video, because the impact of the videos that I make, it's really small, but still, like, there are a lot of people that play this game. So yeah, just wanted to make this one-on-one video for my audience, just to be clear. But yeah, going forward, I will try to do my best research before working with a company or before making a video on a particular product, and doing my proper research so I can present quality content for my audience. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.